Let us go back to a portion of the Lord's Prayer. First of all, let us take it in its original form. There is a translation by Paraf Fenton. His father asked him, the son being the outstanding Greek scholar, and the father asked him to translate the Lord's Prayer in the most literal manner possible. And this is the letter of the son to the father. And he said to his father, this is the literal translation of the original Greek. Our Father in the heavens, thy name must be being hallowed. Thy kingdom must be being restored. Thy will must be being done, as in heaven, so in earth. He tells his father that all other translations were taken from a translation of the Latin. And the Latin has no aorist of the imperative passive mood that was used in the original Greek, and therefore it could not convey the sense that the Savior intended as Matthew and Luke expressed it in the original Greek. So we'll take now the statement, thy kingdom must be being restored. As he said, this imperative passive mood is to me a standing order, something that is to be done absolutely and continuously.